welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are in Disney Springs, and what will we do that?
Today we're gonna have another date night with the entire family here at Paradise 37, and we continue to try different restaurants here in Disney Springs to make sure that we recommend something good for the entire family. We have tried a whole bunch of restaurants in here, and we're gonna continue until we give you the best choices. So, and now after our last review, we were walking right in front of Paradise 37.
And it looks really
yeah, it looked interesting. It's very colorful. It looks kind of like tropical.
So say islandy.
Yeah, that's a word, whatever that word is. Islandy.
I just made it.
I can see where Carla takes her stuff from. But anyways, tonight we're gonna try it out and we're gonna give you our feedback to see if it's worth it to come. But anywho, if you're brand new here in this channel, hi, welcome to Cookies Adventure, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Disney Springs or any theme park in Central Florida. With that said, are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Awesome, because I'm starving. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Whoa, wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! If you didn't know, Paradiso 37 is located very close to the hangar bar over there, or right across from the Ganagerie. And you guys have seen us doing some reviews on the special treats that they bring on the Ganagerie. So basically, we are right across from them. And just to give you an idea, like anything else, please make sure you have reservations, or else you may not be allowed to go inside. So the way that they explain it to us, we go and check in the booth and make the line, and we wait until our table is ready. So that's basically what we're gonna be doing tonight. All right, so how was the check-in process? Because you did it, I was standing
yeah, it was
outside.
kind of weird. I don't know if it's because of the weather outside, but you check in and they didn't even look at the reservation. They just told me to go wait in line. So I don't know if that's a
Which was a long...
It was a long line, but they moved it fairly quickly.
Right.
It's not slow at all. But again, I don't know if it's because of the weather and it's about to pour, so they're just trying to get everybody in, or that's just their normal way of doing things. So if you come here, I would just have somebody go show you reservation, but then if there's a line, go just have that person make the line, because they didn't even look at my time. They just said 44, follow me.
And make sure you have a reservation, so you don't get turned around. And by the way, look at what we're sitting at. We're actually sitting on a table that is next to the lagoon. It's pretty cool, so you can see the actual balloon from here a little bit. And it's pretty cool. You can see the spring from here. Look at that. It's pretty decent. Now
they did ask if we had a reservation, so.
All right, and then the menu, how you get it?
They gave you a paper, like one paper one, but they also told me to scan it. So I guess for everybody to be able to see, they said make sure you scan it.
All right, so we're gonna scan it. While I do that, and I know Karen is always on her cell phone, but why you're always on your cell phone?
Trying to post on Instagram so you guys know what we're doing at all times, or at least when we're out and about doing cool stuff.
So make sure you follow us in Instagram as Cool Case Adventure. And by the way, why aren't you following us yet?
No, why? We give you hints of where we're at and what we're doing, or where we're about to go eat.
What's new, what's coming new in the theme parks, and you know, you're missing.
That might be out and about.
You're missing out. You're missing out. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel or not, nor follow us in Instagram, I don't know. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Make it happen.
I don't get it.
Make it happen. But anyways, we're gonna review the menu. We're gonna try our best because it's super loud in this restaurant.
It's a loud restaurant. I think it's just the way it is. It sounds really loud.
The menu has a little bit of everything. So for example, it has some good appetizers, which I know we didn't order because we're trying to like not eat that much food. Plus we also noticed it's kind of pricey.
Yeah, so for the price of the appetizer, you got a couple extra dollars and you get an actual entree. So like I was trying to do that where I eat an appetizer and get a dessert, because it kind of balances out. But here, like an appetizer, I was like $16 alone. And then a sandwich costs $20. So it's not that.
Yeah, so kind of doesn't make sense. So one thing that caught our attention was the different style of flatbread. So what kind of flatbread do you order?
I went with the Philadelphia flatbread. So it's like a Philly sandwich, but in a flatbread. So can't wait.
And they also have like burger, some kind of sandwiches, tacos, and all that.
They have a little bit of everything because apparently this restaurant is made up of the 37 islands, including the United States. So you have kind of like in the Caribbean area. So you have menus from anywhere from Trinidad, Virgin Islands, the United States, Cuba, Puerto Rico, Brazil. So there's like there's something here for just about everybody.
So why I ended up getting them?
So Carlos went with the Nashville hot chicken sandwich. And the kids, Khalil went with his traditional crispy chicken tenders. And then Kyla went with the cheese pizza. So I guess although it is very diverse, we stuck with American food.
Yeah, exactly. Nothing wrong with that either.
No.
Now we're gonna obviously wait until the food arrives. We're gonna see the portion sizes. We're gonna review it for you. So there's more coming. So hopefully stay with us. And with that, we want to take the opportunity to say that if you're brand new on this channel, what they should do?
Subscribe.
Just do it down below. Subscribe. We're sharing any valuable content. What should you do, Khalil? So smash that like button if we're sharing any valuable content. For more content like this, what we'll take you in Disney Spring and help you, to have fun when you come here with your entire family. And that's the best way to support this channel. We're a small channel, so just by subscribing and liking our channel, you could help us tremendously. So do it. Kyla, what's happening with you?
My pizza.
Your pizza's here and you're excited about your pizza?
Yes.
Cheese pizza. Let's see Kyla got it right this time with ordering a kid's meal. She's been messing up lately. Big time.
Say that.
So what, that's Kyla cheese pizza. Khalil, let me see your chicken. That's Khalil chicken. And more impressive, look at Karen's
Look at mine.
flatbread right over here.
This looks delicious.
Oh, that's it.
And
It does.
my chicken sandwich.
It looks really good too.
It does, yeah.
Looks
Right.
huge.
It's like a double chicken breast over there. That's pretty cool though. And it has like mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomatoes. So that's I don't know. Let's see how good it tastes. All right, Karen, how was your flatbread?
It is amazing. I like it. Really
All right, Khalil, your chicken.
It tastes like burnt popcorn.
It's what?
It tastes like burnt popcorn.
Tastes like burnt popcorn. I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
It's a little crunchy. That's
It's a little crunchy, but we got him ranch dressing, right?
It's missing its ranch.
Right, Kyla, your pizza. Oh, hold on. Kyla, what's going on over there?
So good.
It is so good. You got it right this time? Oh, wow. You highly recommend it then. Wow. And then my chicken sandwich. I started my chicken sandwich, and it's really good. Unfortunately, the family is not going to like it because it's super spicy. But so far, it's pretty good, though. So from a Philly cheesesteak, what kind of ingredients they have?
They have a grilled steak, onions and peppers, cheese, cherry peppers, and chipotle mayo. So it does have a little bit of a kick, but not too bad. I don't like spicy food, but it's enough that it gives you the little.
And for my chicken sandwich,
It's a buttermilk fried chicken drizzled with hot sauce, Monterey Jack cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and ranch dressing.
yeah, it tastes delicious. By the way, I don't know if you guys can see the lightning and the storm that we're having out there. It's like flashing. It's like flashing. Flashing. Wow. With Kyla, the damage is already done. How was it?
Delicious.
One of the best pizza you tried?
I think one of the best pizza in the property.
The best pizza in property, for real?
Yeah, for real. It was so good.
You know what's crazy? You didn't even offer me a piece. It was
For me, a piece?
You're not gonna like it. It's spicy. You're not gonna like it. But it was that good that you didn't like it. I mean, that good that you didn't share it with me.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, Karen, how you doing?
Pizza ain't the best on property.
Okay. How you doing over there?
I don't like it.
How you doing over there, Karen?
They're good. I'm not good. This is delicious.
Okay. Kaleo, you got your ranch. How's it going with that?
He wants to steal my plate.
So that's good. How was Kyla pizza? You did. You tried it.
It's not the best though.
It's not the best? Okay, there you go.
Excuse me?
The beauty of having 2 children. My chicken, I'm still working through it. It's really good. It's just spicy.
Hola, we back.
All right, guys, there you have it. Another night, a special night with us having dinner here at Disney Springs at Paradiso 37. And what do you guys thought?
It was delicious.
You liked it?
Especially her meal.
It was amazing.
It was really good. I want to come back.
So for you guys, is this one of the best places that you have tried here at Disney Springs?
It's one of them, but
One of them. Yeah, I'm not going to say the best.
I still like the Mexican place better.
Frontera Cocina.
Oh, yeah.
So you like Frontera Cocina now? For me, I mean, it was good. It's a little bit overpriced.
Spicy.
Because everything that, either a sandwich, a burger, I mean, everything's like $20 or $21 and above.
Yeah. It was pricey.
It's kind of like a little bit, you know, even the flatbread, it was like $21.
21.
So I think it's just pushing it a little bit. You
It
know?
was good, but it's a little on the pricey side.
Right, so the total ended up being about $83, and you guys saw we didn't order nothing crazy either.
No appetizer,
but-
no dessert.
Yeah, so I think it's a little bit way too overpriced. Now compared to Wine Bar George,
Oh, so much better.
for the family, well, it's a lot better because at least they were able to eat something that they like, right? Because your chicken finger and all that, it was really good, and your
Yeah.
pizza was I apparently amazing because I didn't try it, but
Are you going to hold that against
I'm gonna
me?
hold it for the longest. Watch me, I'm gonna hold it against her.
Help me.
But anyways, my chicken sandwich was really good.
I know.
Kaleo tried it. How was? Kaleo likes spicy food, so
It had a strong kick to it, but it was really
it
good.
was really good. Okay.
So if you like spicy food and burgers, then I would definitely recommend it.
Yeah, and Karen's flatbread was super delicious. But anyway, there you go. I mean, would I be back again? Probably not, because it's a little bit too pricey. If you want to try it for at least once, I highly recommend it. Just try it. You never know. It has a good variety.
Yes.
And-
And very diverse.
Diverse, yeah. Even if you like adult juice, like the kids call it, you're
Adult.
gonna like it too because it has a lot.
It was a lot.
Margarita was their specialty too. So, anyways, well, I hope you enjoyed this adventure. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We love you guys a whole bunch. But sadly, this adventure has ended. And with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And to smash that like button, enter in that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile. That'll be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.